On this week's boiler tip, we're going to talk about specific volume of steam. When we talk about steam, a lot of times we talk about pounds of steam, as in pounds of steam per hour. Well, a pound of steam is basically the steam generated by the evaporation of 1 pound of water. Not much volume, but at 100 psi, this is the volume that this water will expand to. Why is specific volume important? Because it dictates the pipe size we need to transport the steam from point A to point B. High pressure, smaller pipe. Low pressure, larger pipe. So this represents the same 1 pound of steam at 5 psi. So essentially we need a pipe 4 times the size to transport the same amount of steam.